What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly use the converter feature in Revolut. So once you're in Revolut, let's say you want to check how much one currency is in another currency. All you have to do guys is simply click the more on any currency and click on converter, and that's going to quickly show you how much money what actually is in a specific currency. So as you can see, I'm currently looking at the Czech crown, which is at the top. If I tap on that and I want to know how much is 1000 Czech crown in euro, you will see that I basically able to quickly see how much it values in euro, how much it values in Czech, how much it values in US, and even Bitcoin and gold. So you can easily check that. And if you want to add another currency, you can simply tap on add. Choose, for example, if it's a crypto, commodities, or any currency. I'm going to choose a currency. And let's say I would like to know how much it is in Great Britain. I tap on that, and as you can see, it also gives me the currency. So it's easy. This is how you can easily go ahead and use the converter option in Revolut.